Hey traders, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. In this video, we're talking about day trading, but more specifically, we're talking about gap trading and why gap trading is by far the single most consistent and profitable day trading strategy found across the markets today. What exactly is gap trading? Well, stocks have a tendency, specifically during earnings season, to gap higher or lower at the open from where they closed the prior trading day. That creates opportunity for traders that can identify an area where that stock is likely to have a price reaction in the other direction. You see, stocks are naturally drawn to certain areas, whether it's on the upside or the downside, where they will find support or resistance and have that price reaction in the other direction. In my course at LazyGapTrader.com, I teach you exactly the strategy to find those natural price areas. Before we dig in closer to Rio Tinto that you see on the screen, let's take a look at the email that went out to subscribers at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 30 minutes before the market even opened. Now, there were only two possible gap trades on the board today that I was able to identify because we're in the beginning phases of earnings season. In a couple of days, the gap trades are going to come fast and furious, and they're going to be plentiful by the bucketful. Today, the first one was Williams Company's WMB, and that never hit its level, so it becomes a no trade. It's off the table. However, the second one, Rio Tinto, RIO, did hit its level, gap higher, I say. Resistance levels are $40.83, and then I give a secondary level at $41.45. Stop and profit target is about 25 to 40 cents. Let's go take a closer look at Rio and see exactly what happened. So here I went down to a 5-minute chart, and you can see that the stock came right into the $40.83 level right up here and immediately had a price reaction in the other direction. The stock traded down, and then it went sideways for a while, consolidating in what's called a bearish formation, and then it went slightly lower. And as you can see, from $40.83, we made a low, we'll use this candle here, of $40.50 for a maximum gain thus far, and the trading day is still going on, of about 33 cents. Now, if you remember from the email I showed you just a minute ago, the minimum profit target was about 25 cents. So this was a direct hit and became a profitable trade. This is something that you can do for yourself each and every day. In my course at Lazy Gap Trader, I teach you how to find these natural resistance or support levels. I teach you which stocks this works the best with. What are you looking for in terms of volume, size of stocks? There's a lot of nuances on how this works. You have to have the correct stocks to work with the correct strategy so that you can be profitable using this gap trading strategy. Now, this wasn't a tremendous trade by any stretch, but it's a profitable trade nonetheless. And when earnings season really gets underway in earnest, we're going to see a lot of trades each and every day, and we're also going to see trades that provide much bigger profits than you're seeing here. In my course, I teach you everything you need to know in order to be successful with this strategy from this point forward. You can create the foundation for a full-time income utilizing this gap trading strategy. In the course, I teach two strategies. This is one of them. The second one is a gap fill strategy. So you have two strategies within the same gap trading methodology in order to create the foundation to become a profitable trader from this point forward. Folks, come over, check out the course. I also provide all the support you need in order to help you understand how to utilize this strategy for yourself and become a profitable trader. I'm David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. Come over to check out the course, folks. It's absolutely a license to print money out of the markets.